Samsung is expected to officially unveil the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 at Galaxy Unpacked in late July 2026. The biggest upgrades are a massive battery jump from 590 mAh to nearly 800 mAh, a new Snapdragon Wear Elite chip for faster performance and better efficiency, and thinner bezels that give you more screen without increasing the size. Samsung has also refined the titanium design, updated the quick button and bands, and improved AI-powered health tracking. The design stays familiar with the same rugged titanium body, but leaked images show slimmer bezels and engraved hour markings around the bezel, giving the watch a cleaner and more premium look. The orange quick button is still there, although it's now more subtle, and Samsung is also introducing redesigned watch bands while keeping compatibility with existing Ultra straps. The biggest upgrade could be battery life. As I said before, leaks suggest Samsung has increased the battery from around 590 to nearly 800 mAh. Combined with the new Snapdragon Wear Elite processor, this could finally push the Galaxy Watch Ultra comfortably beyond 3 days of regular use while also making apps launch faster and improving overall responsiveness. Samsung is also expected to launch the watch with One UI 9. While the interface isn't expected to change dramatically, users can look forward to refreshed watch faces, smoother animations, deeper Galaxy AI integration, and more personalized health recommendations throughout Samsung Health. Another welcome change could be the connectivity options. Unlike the current Galaxy Watch Ultra, which is primarily sold as an LTE model, leaks suggest Samsung may finally offer both Bluetooth and LTE variants in several markets. If that's true, buyers who don't need cellular connectivity could have a more affordable option this time around. Health tracking isn't getting brand new sensors, but Samsung is expected to improve what already exists. Better heart rate accuracy, smarter sleep analysis, more AI-powered insights, and refinements across Samsung Health are all expected. And if you're wondering about non-invasive blood glucose monitoring, credible leaks still don't point to it arriving this year. Everything else that made the original Ultra popular is expected to stay. That includes dual frequency GPS, offline navigation, 10 ATM, water resistance, sapphire crystal protection, military grade durability, and Wear OS with Samsung's latest One UI 9 watch on top. So if you've been waiting for a completely new Galaxy Watch Ultra, this probably isn't it. But if battery life, performance, and a more refined overall experience matter most, the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 is shaping up to be a worthwhile upgrade. Peace.